Hello, welcome. After a long time, I'm going to record this video as a part of your module number 4, chapter number 1. Some topic I have covered in the classroom, but the zip file and zip file handling, those topic I need to explain. And if you recall, I was doing the same program during the class lecture, and there was some unexpected error came, and there only I stopped the class since the class was getting lengthy. Now in this video, I will explain from there only. But before that, to going forward, what I will do, I will take you quickly on the notes which I have explained. You can observe here organizing files, and in that I have explained these things and notes already shared with you. The shooting module completely I have explained, specifically these concept like how to copy the any files, and then I explained entire folder if you want to copy. Then if you want to move the files, and during move you want to change the name of the file, that these concepts we have done. Then how to delete the file, and specifically these three methods I have explained. Okay. And I had given the proper examples, and then how to delete the file so that that file should not delete permanently. That should go to recycle bin. If you want to recover later on, you can recover it. So these topic we have done, then walking the entire directory. So that program also I shown. Okay. So this was the program I implemented in the classroom and it worked properly. And these things I have done. Now I have to start with the topic called as compressing files with the zip file module. So I told you the basically extension of the zip file is .zip. Okay. And I, as I mentioned during the class hours, we have to perform the creation of a zip file, reading from the zip file and extract the entire file from the zip file, whatever zipped file. And that is also known as archive file. Please keep in mind, which is very important. Okay. Now, one by one, we have to perform the some programming work, like how to create zip, how to read from the zip after creation, how to extract the files from the zip. These things we have to do. Generally, we are doing the same thing through the mouse and through the some of keyboard shortcut. Same thing we wanted to perform with the help of Python programming, isn't it? So, without further delay, directly I will explain everything. So quickly, I will share the whiteboard, and first let me explain the theoretical perspective so that you will have a proper understanding on it. I hope you are able to see the whiteboard. So basically to perform the zip file handling, okay, zip file handling, you must import first zip file, okay, zip file. This module you have to import, okay. Now after this, you have to create the zip file. So what are the tasks I'm going to explain here? First, how to create zip file. Here I'm writing I will list out the whatever task I'm going to perform on the VS Code directly through the program. So how to create the zip file, that program I will explain. Then how to read zip file, okay? Read zip file. This program also I will do. And if you want to track the content of the zip file, so track zip content. Okay, that also I will explain. And after that, how to extract zip files. Okay, how to extract zip file. So this concept also I will explain. So these are the concept which is need to explain. So extract all the files, extracting the single file. These are the some categorical explanation I will give. After that, I will explain here two concepts. All extracting the all zip file or else any of a single file you wanted to extract. These are the normally we are doing manually through the mouse in the system. After that, the topic which I am going to explain, adding the files into existing zip file. Okay, adding the files into existing zip. Okay, so how to add into the zip any other file? Okay, so basically this I will achieve with the help of append operation. So I will use append mode, okay, which we have learned in the our previous module. So this topic I will explain. After that, I will perform I will perform experiment number 7. So this is the agenda for this only single video. Once I will complete this, your this entire module will get complete. Okay. Rest of things, I will guide you what other than you have to perform. Okay. So quickly, let me share the VS Code so that I can start the practical. Okay. So I hope you are able to see the VS Code. And last time, the one program which we were doing, name I had given, I think zip, if I'm not wrong, that I have created. Yeah, this file. This program I was trying to perform and which was not working properly, right? So today I will do the same thing. Same thing. I will try to perform. Let's see how it will work. Okay. Let's see how it will work. One second. So what I wanted to convey here in last class lecture, I was trying to do and some unexpected error was coming. So I will come to this point. So first let me explain how to create the zip file. Okay. You see here what I will do. Uh, First I need to import zip file. Okay. First I need to import the zip file. Let me snooze my AI. Okay. Now, after this, let's say I will go with the alias method. I will use the module zip file dot dot method zip file. You can observe here. It's all automatic suggestion is coming. I will give the some name. Let's say archive name archive dot zip. Okay, archive dot zip. After that, I will use, since I wanted to create, so I will create as, let's say, zip f. This is my alias name. Okay. After this, what I wanted to do, zip f dot, I will write. Okay. I will write. And let's say the file name example dot txt. Okay. Save it. Let me run it. Let me run it. Now, you you can observe some error. Okay, so file is not finding. So what I will do, I will take some file from my system. Let's say the file name is lab program for IA1. Okay, let me take this file. Okay, this is the file. You know this file is available in my system. Let me run it again. Again, the error is coming. Let me rectify the error first. Okay. So we can fix the error. We can fix the error. Let me check any text file is there. Yeah, sample text file is there in the same folder. So the same folder I will use here. Okay. You see. So for that, what I will do, uh, let me clear this first. Okay. Let me clear this first. And here, let me give the sample. That should be in the same folder where this program is running. Okay. That's the path mismatch problem only. Let me save it. Let me run it. Yes, now it is working perfectly. So there is no problem. The zip file generated and we can track it in the folder itself. You see archive.zip file is coming, right? It is a, you can observe. And if you want to see, I can't show this, but you can perform the same thing in the same program folder. If you have got any text file or any file which you wanted to make zip file, and you can give the name of the particular zip folder. Here I have given archive.zip. .zip is the just extension for the zipping process. And this archive is the name of the particular folder, which is zip type, and you are creating with this. Okay. And this is the file which you have kept inside the zip file. Okay. So this is how you can create now file. This problem resolved. Now you learned how to create the zip file. Now, what if you wanted to perform the zipping? Okay, we wanted to perform the zipping of the particular folder. So, which is containing lot of files and everything. Okay. So what I will do here, I will do just uh, use here. First, I will take one variable. I will use module zip file dot zip file method. I have pasted one particular, I can say the uh, particular location path, and I wanted to create the zip file with the name of test.zip. Okay, test underscore zip. Then you wanted to write it, okay, and inside that this file you wanted to send, but you know this file is not there. So what I will do, I will write here sample. This file, it is there in the current running folder, so that would be helpful. Or student .txt also you can give, okay. So that I will give this time. So here rather giving a sample, I will write the student student.txt. Okay, student.txt. Fine, perfectly fine. Let me check if it is correct. It that should work. And it is telling error because this is not there in the this folder. So what I will do, I will use the current directory only. So to use the current directory, I will take the path of this particular file. I will take the path of this file. To perform this operation, you know what, I have to make changes. These, whatever path I have pasted, and that is not in that current folder. So if I will take the current folder and their path, that will definitely work. So that's why which permission denied error is was coming now. Everyone who are getting the permission denied error, make sure whichever folder you are writing the program, the same folder you have to use so that the path mismatch should not happen. Okay. So I will delete this actually. Okay. Let me delete entire program and let me write the neat program. Okay. And let me clear my terminal also. So here only we start. So what I will do, I will create one folder. You see option is here. And I will give the name check zip. This name I will give for this folder. Now you see this folder I have created. Okay. So, what I have to do, you know very well. So first I have to import a zip file, zip file. Yeah, this file I have to import. After that, just take one variable. The way we had written the program, same way I will write. Okay, I will give the name of the folder, this variable, that new zip, which is obviously a kind of object which will hold some sort of path. Okay. So it's very simple. Take the module zip file which you have imported, dot take the method zip file method. Okay. And after that, let me remove this my AI. It is always getting enabled. Okay. So after that, here I will paste my this folder path. So let me go back in my folder and let me take the folder path so that the error should not occur again. So I just copied the path, but it is not visible to you. Uh, okay. So what I will do here, I will paste here with raw string my copied uh, the address. Okay. After that, I will give the some name, which name I wanted to keep. Okay. So backslash, let's say new dot zip. Okay, and in which mode, mode would be W. Hmm? So like that. Once you are done with this, let me snooze like this. Once I will done this, after that I need to write, right? So I will write new zip. This is my variable object, and here I will write some certain information. And here city text is there. So I will take you can see here city text is here. Huh? So I will take that city text file location. Okay. That I will paste here. And I will check whether it is working or not. You can observe here. So if this is done, so here after that, what I will do now, because maybe inside the folder, you wanted to compress it, right? So do that if you want to compress it. So you have to use compress type. Okay, compress type. Compress type equals to new, sorry, equals to compress type equals to zip file, the module, okay, dot zip deflated, dot zip deflated, okay, zip deflated, okay, deflated, and then bracket. After this, I will print whether zip is created or not. So that message I will print zip, zip file created, okay. And once you are done with this, just print the message, just print the message. One second, wait. Let me just exit from border. Okay. Here you have to write new zip dot close. Since here I did not use what you will call it. I did not use that alias. Okay. So you might understood what we are doing here. So compress type equals to zip file dot zip deflated. Everything is fine. So once we are done with this, I will save it and I will try to run. Let's see. Yeah, zip file is created. If it is created, that should come here with the name of new zip. So you see here, new zip file is there. So this is how you can create the new zip file. Okay. So this you understood how to create the new zip file. Now I need to read the zip file. Now I need to read the zip file. So this is about, one second. Let me write here. Creation. Let me write here. Creation of zip file. Similarly, I will write here read of zip file. Okay, reading the zip file. So how to read the zip file? So to do that, first you have to import the zip file library. I mean, this module. Then one more module you want, import OS module. Okay, now after this, what you will do, maybe you are in the same directory, maybe you are in the different directory. If you are in the different directory, you have to use the change directory. Otherwise, since we are in the same folder, so not required. Let's take one variable called as example zip. Okay, in this, just do one thing. Zip file, zip file dot zip file. Okay, and then write the particular which you have created. Let's say new zip I have created a new dot zip. Okay, so let's see what file inside that. And if you remember, I have added city text file. Okay, if everything is fine, what I'll do here, what I'll do here, I'll just print one message, simple message that files inside the zip file, file inside the zip, and add the backslash n so that the things will come from new line. Then print. What you want to print? I want to print new sorry, what you have created, example. Okay, example zip, that only variable we have taken, example zip dot name list. You have to use name list. Okay, name list. What is the meaning of name list? Everything will come in the form of list. Okay, whatever city or anything you have taken. So you are done with this. And at last, once you are done, so you have to close example zip dot close method. Now let me save it. Let me run it. Before running, let me make it complete. Now only I will do the for this reading. So observe here, file inside the zip, and what are the things are there? You can see this is the only file inside the zip. So this is coming list. Probably multiple is there, might you are getting the multiple also. So this is how you can perform. So how to extract the zip file? For that I will teach you. I think video is getting lengthy. So in this video, I will stop here only. Next video, I will come with the next continuation of this only. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you. You make a use of this practical and learn it. Next video I'm giving for you. Okay.